Welcome Buddha for this press conference. So, तुमको तो खबर असली आज I have tendered my resignation from the BJP party, which I had joined exactly about 20 days back. December 10th I had joined BJP party. I'm BJP party joined Zalo because I wanted to contest the election on the BJP party. But recent developments, what have happened across the country, especially atrocities against the minorities, that has created a lot of problem for me in my life. आमचे आख्खो लोक पळय आहा तेणें म्हाका भरपूर प्रेशर घातलो की दॅट यू शूड लीव द पार्टी. आनी नॉट ओन्ली दॅट, कोण म्हणूंक लागलो तूं पातकी, यू हॅव सोल्ड युअर सोल टू BJP. नाव आय वॉन्ट टू मेक इट व्हेरी क्लियर to the people of Goa. I want to make one thing very, very clear. Jenna ami BJP party joined zale, I did not talk anything about my personal benefit. Ami BJP party kode ek rupoy maglo na. That talk has not happened only. But amgele kon thodanni khabar gayle ki I have taken some 3 crores, kon 4 koti गेलो. आम्ही एक रुपयाचे खबर केलं ना. We have not spoken about any financial benefit for me. But I have given some list of development works. आणि हांवें सीएमा सांगलें ही आमगेले 14 कामां डेव्हलपमेंटाची, आनी ही कामां जी आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युशन जालें नाय ती मातशें आमगेले तो काम कर आनी दी. दॅट वॉज माय ओनली डिमांड. पूण ड्यू टू कॉन्स्ट्रेंट ऑफ टायम एंड ऑल्सो पार्टीन आमकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवूं ना. आय कॅन से द पार्टी हॅज नॉट टेकन अस इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स. आमकां ते भितर गेले आनी ते फकाडे पडत. तर एक सायडीन लोक म्हणटा आमी वी हॅव सोल्ड आवर सोल टू BJP. पयशे घेतले म्हणटा एक सायडीन आरोप करताय. कोण पाद्रीन शर्मा सांगपाक कॉमेस केलो क्रिसमस डे की हे गेले ते BJP आपणा पोटा हातराला गेले आनी कितें. तर एक वस्त सिद्ध करपाक एक गोंयच्या लोकांक आय हॅव रिजायन फ्रॉम द BJP टुडे. एंड जे म्हाका एक सफोकेशन आसलें, ऑल द प्रेशर दॅट आय हॅड from the people and even from my own family, my own son started questioning me. So I said, I cannot live with this pressure, and that's why today I have resigned. I ask repentance from God if I have hurt somebody, and I am now relieved man. If I have made a mistake, I want to ask forgiveness from the people of Putturi, people of Goa. But I had joined not for my benefit, but I had a hope that when आमचे पयले कोण लोक येता कितें जॉब एप्लिकेशन घेवन येता, कोण कितें डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक सोदता जाल्यार दॅट तो एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हणून चिंतून हांवें जॉयन जालो. पूण आमकां तें पार्टीन कॉन्फिडन्स केन्ना दिवूं ना. सो एक सायडीन लोक आमकां एब्यूज करता. आवर ओन फॅमिली इज गेटिंग एब्युजींग मी. एंड कांय तर मुखार आमकां कांय बरें दिश्टी पडना. सो दॅट्स वाय आय हॅव रिजायन फ्रॉम द पार्टी एंड आय एम नाव वॉन्ट टू लीव माय लायफ पीसफुली.
You have quit Congress, BJP, or you have quit politics?
I don't have any this about to say about that. कित्याक when I joined BJP, it happened that on the Thursday I had a meeting with the BJP party, and I put my demands to them. They said you join. सगळे demands जातले. No, I'm coming to that. So I joined immediately. Next day was a Friday, and आमचे धर्मान आमकां Friday is a good day. You will know about it. So Thursday or Friday बरें दीस म्हणून हांव म्हणलें Friday म्हाका बरें दीस. Friday म्हणलें they said we'll do the प्रवेश on Friday. So Friday I joined. आनी सगळे लोकांक कन्सल्ट करपाक म्हाका टायम मेळ्ळो ना एक दिसा भितर. जातलें हांव सांगलें प्रवेश हांव करूंक सोदतां. थोड्यान म्हाका सांगलें तूं बट वी आर विथ यू. सम पीपल वेर रिलक्टंट बट I could not consult everybody. So today I don't want to make any statement. I have just come out of one confusion and one problem that I got myself into. So the future course, I have nothing to say.
Okay. There was always a mystery since the day you joined BJP. That was on
10th of December.
December 10th. That was on the eve of visit of Priyanka Gandhi. She was supposed to next week. what had made Moreno to join BJP at such a fast speed?
See, Kidara, see, right from June, right from June, I was approached by all the parties. आज जे political field ला पड़ा है, सगळे parties had approached me, and the continuous they were coming. Although I was telling them, see, I have not decided what I am going to do. They were coming continuously. Aam Aadmi came to me, AMC came to me many times. And I respect them. They approached me because they thought I was a prospective candidate for the Gurdwara constituency. There's nothing, I'm not making fun of them. It's good thing that they came. But I couldn't commit anything to them. And I couldn't commit why? Because I feel in Goa politics, it is either BJP or Congress. I was not.
No, the point is, before the declaration of candidate by the Congress.
No, ticket.
You decided to leave.
See, ticket. I decided to leave the Congress and go to BJP because I was sure that the ticket was going to the sitting MLA.
So याचा अर्थ तो तुम्ही आता पार्टी सोडली
किती मोठा?
आता तो काँग्रेस येणार ना सो तुम्ही आता पार्टी
ना त्याचे काय संबंध ना त्यात सोडले 10 दिवस झाले. I would have done it immediately.
आफ्टर रेजिग्नेशन
See, if I was त्या दोन कारण आसल्यानं तो 20 तारखेर रिजायन जालो. हांव 10 दीस रावन आसलो न्ही.
10 दिवसां उपरांतच जालें हे सगळ्यो गोष्टी जाल्यो.
No, but आमचे yeah.
Have any Congress leaders after this resigning of President has contacted you?
No leaders, but लोक जायत येता. लोक म्हणटा एश म्हणटा ते कोण म्हणटा they are saying my wife should contest. And those talks are going on. But whatever they are talking with my wife.
To contest someday.
No. That's going to happen. That's going to happen. Because how they will say? No, supporter thought something. No, there is somebody has been sent me on video also to me some days back, where he has made this video and sent to me saying that check to me potto nadvacho ani kite kite. But those goshti are not important because I have seen that I am reaching nowhere here. I am getting suffocated in the party. आणि आमचे काम एक साइडीन जायना कसलेंच आणि सेकंडली लोक आमकां एब्यूज घालयता कोण म्हणटा पातकी कोण आनी कितें आमी एक सिद्ध करपाक आय एम टुडे लिविंग द पार्टी दॅट आय हॅव नॉट टेकन अ रुपी फ्रॉम दीस पार्टी आणि इफ आय हॅड टू डू टेक समथींग ऑर टेकन फॉर माय बेनिफिट इट वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लीव.
No, but that time the BJP had made this move to take you so fast.
I don't know. I always tell people no. I always tell. कोणाक सांगता कितें I am not a politician. I am a.
No, you are not answering my. Whether the BJP got you so fast in that because they went to the town saying a big Southwall leader is joining.
I really cannot answer this question. This has to be answered by them. But I was approached by their local आमगे कुर्तरी constituency board BJP board यहाँ committee है. I was approached by them, and I went with them together. We met party leadership, and I gave them a list of 14 works. I told them clearly, I am a sincere man. मुझे काम करपाची, पण आमगे काम ती अजून त्या कांय there is no direction I see, and there is hardly any time now. 6th is the code of coming into picture. And when one side I am getting abused, where the day I went, so our political rivals became very active. They सगळे पाद्री they started Christmas midnight sermon was totally finished my peace of mind. Christmas day म्हाका enjoy करपा देखून I couldn't have peace of mind. He had come to my residence that day. So आतां एक सायडीन तर आमचें कामूय जायना आनी एक सायडीन आमकां तर एब्युजीस घेवपा जाय आनी माय ओन सन वॉज क्वेश्चनिंग मी what you are doing and what is this and all. So it's too much of pressure. And I say, Baba, one thing I want to tell that there are sincere people in Goa. That is what I want to prove. Because if I had to take something somewhere, take an advantage for myself, personal benefit, it was not easy to live. See, I ex-Ahil that day when I joined, I couldn't meet everybody and take a decision. Now again, I don't want to say something to you, and tomorrow do something else. Let me just be peaceful. And if there is something, the people will decide.
Time is running out.
See, a man can propose, only God disposes.
Someone is smiling.
So man can propose. Man wants a lot of things. आणि man wants lot of things, but everything ते जायना मनशालें. ते तसं देवान ते निर्मिल्लें तें जातलें.
Simple Simon is smiling.
ना Simon कितें? Simon is a very senior politician. Simon 3 फावट पंच जाला, current deputy sarpanch. I am in politics from 2017. So what he is having wisdom we cannot have. But I have to say one thing. I want to tell the people of Goa that I am a sincere man, and will dedicate my life to see that something good happens to the state. That's
You
all
said
that
that you're the one who approached your wife to contest the election. So that also be the reason.
my wife is an individual.
So if she contests, will you also if she contests a Congress ticket, you being in BJP, it won't.
No, I'm not in BJP. No, I'm
Today you decide, but if she contests and is that link? There could be a link. No? If
There
she
is,
gets a
see,
ticket,
there is absolutely no link. She is free to take her own decisions. If she says, since I am a neutral person now, if she tells me come along, I will have to go along.
so you're going to be.
If she tells me you don't come along, I will
you
not
don't have
go
any
along.
plans to join any other party, join Congress back or any other party.
What is that?
You don't have any plans to join Congress
As
back.
of now,
or
I have
any
no
other-
plans. I have just come out of BJP party because they have not taken me seriously, and on the top of it, I have to face a lot of abuses from everybody, including my family. So I have just come out of this, and
You did not take your family into confidence.
I did take into confidence, but the recent events, like post Christmas, the different incidents that have been reported, and they are coming on the social media, that has made life really hell for me. It has really made me literally cry. So I just want to say, Baba, enough is enough. And that's why I am just come out of it, and let's see what where destiny takes me. किती पुढं
येणाऱ्या काळात तो काँग्रेसीन जाऊन व्हायची शक्यता
येणाऱ्या काळ किती जातले ते म्हणजे नाही समज आहे ना
होऊ
बाबा.
शकता.
Everything is possible. What we can do, we cannot say, we cannot predict anything today. But as of now, I have told you why I resigned from BJP.
तुका स्टार्टिंग काँग्रेसीक तुका केल्लें न्ही अप्रोच केल्लो घरालो गेनी चोडण करपाक भितरल्यान सपोर्ट करतालो मागीर आतां तुजें परत
आता कोण भितरल्यान सपोर्ट करतालो आणि कोण भायल्यान सपोर्ट करतालो ते म्हाका खबर ना बाबा. But the thing is, I was my Kurtori ZP candidate पळय आमगेलें, that's my wife. I worked tirelessly to get her elected. आमकां आमगेले लोकल एमएलएन केस ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी एकूच मिटिंगेक तो येयलो आनी ही सांगपा लागलो की तेका टिकेट दिता आपण कन्सल्ट करूना म्हणून. सो फ्रॉम दॅट डे वी डिड इवन अप्रोच हिम आनी ही हॅज ट्रायड हिज बेस्ट टू थ्रो द कॅन्डिडेट डावन. तेपाट जावना. माय वायफ वॉन बाय 3,600 votes. आनी आमचो दुसरो ZP आसलो फ्रॉम राया, जोसफ वाज, हू इज अ वेटेरियन काँग्रेस लीडर, ग्रासरूट लीडर आनी बरो काँग्रेसाचो वावर करपी. ते तुमच्या ताणें उडयलो. घरान भोंवन सांगलें की आपूण हे फावटी काँग्रेसा बरोबर आसपाना, आपण काँग्रेस सोडटा आनी तेका वोट मारले आनी तेका उडयलें ताणें. सो दीस इज द कंट्रिब्युशन टू काँग्रेस फ्रॉम द करंट TMC कॅन्डिडेट फ्रॉम
इतलो
कुडचोरी.
पावरफुल जातो की ते सांगून आपण काँग्रेसची रावचो ना पण कॅन्डिडेट
कितें म्हणटा
रेजिनाल्ड इतलो पावरफुल जातालो म्हणटात
सी रेजिनाल्ड पावरफुल आहा म्हण कितें सी स्वता तर सी इन म्हाका एवढो ट्राय केल्ली बट वी डीड आवर वर्क. आमी इलेक्शन एक पाट पोस्टपोन जालें, सेकंड टायम पोस्टपोन जालें, सेकंड टायम जालें. सो इट वॉज लायक कॉन्टेस्टिंग 2 elections फॉर मी. जे आमी पयले पाट जे प्रिपरेशन केल्लें, द सेम प्रिपरेशन वी डीड अगेन फॉर द सेकंड टायम. दॅट्स हाव वी वन.
तुजें नांव आसा आमकां
हें आमच्यान कांय उलोवपाक जायना आनी द पीपल वील डिसायड वॉट दे हॅव टू डू.
गेल्ले आमी 14 तेकोडे काम दिलें सीएमा कडेन, डायरेक्ट सीएमा कडेन. एकोडे तेकोडे एजंटाक दिलें ना, डायरेक्ट सीएमाक दिलें. कित्याक आमकां काम जाय म्हणून. आनी काम जर सीएम कोण ना आतां जाल्यार आमी BJP करप. आतां रेजिनाल काँग्रेसान तोय ना सारको आनी काँग्रेसान कित्याक ना तो रेजिनाल, कित्याक त्या काँग्रेसान तो एक्चुअली BJP मनीस, रेजिनाल BJP मनीस. कित्याक रेजिनाल 12 वयता रातीचे BJP ऑफिसान. आमी BJP ऑफिसान राती गेले नाय, आमी दिसा गेले आनी दिसा वचोन आमी ताका काम दिलें आनी काम दिलें केसरी लेप्रोसी हॉस्पिटल, आमी हेल्थ सेंटर और तुगे रोड्स और गटर केसरी आमी पर्सनल दिलें नाय, पर्सनल कांय दिलें नाय आमी. प्लस आमी फुटबॉल ग्रावंड, भुरगे फुटबॉल ग्रावंड तेणी सीएमान आमकां हें दिल्लें की विदीन 8 days आपण तुगेलें सगळें मनशां धाडटात, तुगे आपण हें धाडटा, इंजिनियर धाडटा, हें धाडटा. आयज कांय ना तेगेलें. आयज तर ते फायद ना न्ही. देखून आयज रेजिनाल काँग्रेस सोडलो. कित्याक रेजिनाल आपणाक कितें चोयला आसतलें कितें मेळटा तें. पूण आमी आतां BJP लोक म्हणटाले न्ही, आमी फादरूय बोड माताय, लोकूय बोड माताय की आमी ते पयशे केल्ले आसतले. आमी आज पयस केलं म्हणून आमी दाखयताय प्रूफ दाखयताय आमी BJP सोडटाय कित्याक आमगे तेणे 8 दिसां भितर काम केलें ना तेका आमी BJP सोडटाय आज कित्याक
8 दीस म्हणजे आज 20 दीस जाले
20 दीस जाले आमकां आज 10 दीस दिले तेणे ते 10 दीस आनी 10 दीस आमी तें काम सोडटाय कित्याक
आणि
तें काम करपा ना कित्याक
हो TMC पळय गेला न्हू तेजेस देर इज अ लिंक बिटवीन बोथ द पार्टीज
दोगां एक आहे ते BJP आनी रिजनल एक आहे
हो.